Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Halloween tutorial. I know we are almost done. Tomorrow is the big day and I thought today would be a little bit subtle. So let's get into it. Watch yesterday's video, you know that I used this white cream paint. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix this with the already light foundation, one that I've been using in all my Halloween tutorials. So now that we have all that blended, I'm taking the white crayon thing that we saw before and I'm covering, well, I'm not covering my eyebrows. I want my eyebrows to still be there, but I want it to be like super dark. I mean, like, that's the total opposite. So now I'm taking the darkish, black shade in the Graffiti Treats palette, and I'm just going to run that in the inner corner, the light hand, and I'm going to sweep it through the crease. Now I'm taking this dark blue shade in the palette. Done. I'm going to take this, it's like a silvery purple shade. I'm taking the silvery purple shade and then I'm going to add that in the inner corner. Same black that we used, and I'm gonna lightly buff it out on the underneath, on the lower lash line. Duochrome. There's like a duochrome pink here. It's white, but then when you swatch it, it's like pink. So I'm taking that and I'm putting it at the lower lash, and I'm putting it down here in the lower lash line. The white that we used earlier, which is quite hard actually, and I'm running it messily through my beard, all over my lip, and so now after that I'm taking the same black we used in the eyes and I'm just dusting slightly. I'm gonna contour with the black shade. I'm going to take powder, the white powder we use, and I'm going to veil that like what Jeffree Star does. For highlight, I'm taking that silvery shade we use in the inner corners on the highest point of the cheek. Now I'm taking a little bit of the Hollow Glitter by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm going to pack this on. Finishing off the look with a pink ass wig. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and guys, I will see you in the next one.